Hey guys, back out here in McKinney at these townhomes. The final little piece of this done. Get this sidewalk cut in. You can see there's a little piece of existing sidewalk, so we had to cut it. Get this cut out all the way down here so the concrete guys can come back and form it up and get it poured. And sometime between when I left yesterday and when I got here this morning, the city decided to put up a no parking sign right in the middle of where I need to cut for that sidewalk. So we'll do our best to cut around that. We'll see. There's a bunch of dirt's been piled up here, so I'm going to try to cut some of this down. Get this busted up too, because they're going to have to they're actually going to put a concrete flume through here. So yeah, I'm going to get you guys set up and we'll get going. Here goes. All right. So battery died on the camera, and I completely forgot to even check out that. I got busy and forgot all about the camera. So, but we're all done. Let me show you what we got. So we got all this ground here, busted up. I didn't bring it up to grade. We didn't add any more dirt here because the concrete guys are going to come set forms for a flume. And since we didn't have the exact plans on that flume, I didn't know how much dirt to fill in or take out. So we left it there, broke it up, so it'll be easier for them. If they need to remove any, they can. So that flume continues down here. And then we've cut out all this dirt down. So now you can see where the sidewalk's gonna go. This section here is gonna get new curb. Steps are gonna go in there. Ooh, the little yards are all packed in, leveled out. Everything's cleaned up. Another set of stairs. All the water meters are uncovered. I think this used to be a fiber conduit or something, but I left it in there. They can deal with that. The silt fence guys already came and reinstalled the silt fence. So you can see they messed up everything I had looking pretty. But, oh, you know what? Before I forget, I'll set you guys up. I need to move these cones back to where they belong. All right, that done. So yeah, silt fence is in. Not sure what's going on. Like that. I don't know what's going on with that. And the piles of dirt. So got that one. I didn't add anything else to that one today. So that's 15, 16 yards. There's probably 6 yards, maybe 7 yards in that little pile in the middle. And then this one has grown today. It's probably, oh, that's probably pushing 18 yards. So anyway, that's a lot of dirt we're gonna have to deal with eventually, but not my issue for today. Let me pull the keys out of this guy. It's all locked up. Yep, it's all locked up. And I'm gonna get in the dump truck and I'm gonna take this over to my buddy Izzy, because for some reason my air conditioner quit working. And you know, we're in Texas, and I don't know what the actual temperature is, but I'd guess somewhere around, I don't know, 140, 150 degrees. I don't know, that's what it feels like. But anyway, I'm gonna hurry up and do that so I can get back to some air conditioning. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.